In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or delete a review in TripAdvisor. Here's the key thing to know up front. TripAdvisor does not let you edit a review after it's been published. If you spot a typo, want to clarify details, or need to update your experience, the only way to change it is to delete the original and then post a new version. Because deletion is permanent, it's wise to copy your current review text first so you can reuse it. You can paste it into a document or notes app, make your edits, and have it ready to submit again. Start by signing in to your TripAdvisor account on the website or in the app. Make sure you're logged into the same account that posted the review you want to change. Otherwise, you won't see the right options. Next, go to your profile and open the Contributions section, where all your reviews live. On desktop, click your profile picture or name and look for the Contributions tab. In the app, tap the profile icon, then Contributions. Scroll through your list to find the specific review you want to remove. If you've written a lot, you can quickly scan by location or business name to spot the right one. Once you've found it, look for the three dots in the top right corner of that review. That's the Options menu. Click or tap it, then choose Delete. TripAdvisor will prompt you to confirm. Take a moment to read the message, and when you're sure, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the review will be removed. It might disappear immediately or after a quick refresh, but once it's gone, other users won't see it. Now you're ready to submit your updated review as a new post. Open the Write a Review page for the same place, paste the text you saved earlier, and refine it. Correct any mistakes, adjust your star rating if needed, and add any new context you want to share. Keep your tone clear, respectful, and focused on your genuine experience. When you submit, remember that TripAdvisor may take a little time to process and publish the new review. A couple of quick troubleshooting tips. If you don't see the delete option, double-check that the review has been published and that you're viewing it from the account that posted it. Also, avoid including personal contact details or sensitive information in your revised review. And that's the process. Sign in, go to Contributions, open the Options menu on the review, delete it, and then submit your revised version. Thanks for watching, and happy reviewing.